Hi there, folks. This is Levi Kuhn at Kuhn Truck and RV, your Class B and B Plus RV specialist. Please check out our website at truckandrv.com. That's truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. And we'll put a direct link to this particular RV in the description below. If you follow that link, it'll take you over to our website where you can see the pricing and all the information on this unit. However, once this unit is sold, that link will be removed. We are a full-service dealer. We do offer warranty as well as financing packages. If you have any questions on those, please call my brother Luke in our office at 419-899-2020. Alrighty, folks, I'm going to take you through the inside tour of this 2008 Pleasureway Excel TS. As always, we will start at the front of the coach, make our way towards the rear. Going to try to get you a few different angles so you can get a feel for the space as well as the overall condition. We are a small family-owned and operated dealership. My father started this business back in 1976. My brother and myself have taken over the day-to-day operations. We do consider ourselves to be a no-pressure sales place. You're more than welcome to spend as much time as you would like in touring this one or any one of our RVs. So if you'd like to spend 8 hours in this one or any one of our RVs, up to 8 hours during our regular business hours, you're more than welcome to do so. We want you to be happy with your purchase. We want to help you and make sure that you find the RV that is right for you. We do have leather front seats in this one. Both the front captain's chairs are leather. As you can see, we've got carpet up here in the cockpit area with vinyl flooring in the kitchen slash entry slash restroom area with carpet in the very back in the living area. Got some light switches on the wall here by that side entry door. Fire extinguisher. I'll jump up top here and kind of try to show you this control center. We've got a carbon monoxide detector, hot water heater switch, remote start for the Onan generator, which is showing 180 hours. We've got our water pump switch and our levels gauges. Hold each one of these and it's going to show you, light up there and show you how much is in each one of those tanks. Jump into the kitchen area here. We have a single basin stainless steel kitchen sink. Got the cutting board there that covers the sink. Gives you extra counter prep space there. This is a nice Korean countertop. Down bottom we have the refrigerator. The refrigerator is a three-way. It'll run on 12 volt electricity, 110 volt electricity, or propane gas. Over here you can see we've got the propane furnace. The smaller refrigerators that are in these do have a freezer compartment. Fold down there's your freezer compartment, and then still got pretty good sized fridge there. 2-burner cooktop. Again, it's got the flush top. You close the glass lid, gives you more counter prep space. Stainless steel backsplash behind that. Maple cabinetry all the way throughout. Got lots of storage. I'll pull a 180 on you here and come back around to the microwave. This is a microwave slash convection oven. Directly below that, we have your wardrobe. See the rod up there to hang your clothes. One of the 2 tables that's included with this unit. The pole for the table. This board here is used to make the bed into the large bed in the rear. Secondary table is stored behind the driver's seat. Now we'll jump into the wet bath. Because of the smaller footprint in these small RVs, they go to a wet bath where they combine the restroom, toilet, shower, and sink all into one combined space. So we've got some storage and some cabinetry there. Bathroom sink. That's your sink valve as well as your shower valve. Medicine cabinet with mirror on the back wall there. Again, you got your commode. Another towel bar, shower curtain in there. Rooftop mounted air conditioning unit. Storage again on either side. More storage back there and there. All the way around the top back here. The one nice thing that's about these Excel units, okay, I'll run this bed down for you here. This is a power sofa bed. hold the button, run this down into a bed. What did the mountain climber call his son? What did the mountain climber name his son? Cliff. Okay, so one of the nice things about these Excel TS is one thing that I really like, a lot of people like, you can use this as a twin bed model. So you can have one person sleep here and one person sleep here. You put your heads up there so your shoulders, your wider part of your body is up here. So you've got plenty of room to lay there and lay there with your feet being down here on this cushion. So you can use this as a twin bed model. You can also use this, you can use that board that's in the closet, use that to span this gap, bring your back cushions down into the center, and you can make one very large bed back here if you prefer to do it that way. So you have two different options of ways that you can use this back bedroom, ways that you can set up your bed. Just very versatile. A lot of people seem to like that. Again, it is power. I'll hold the button here. You can see the two seat belts sticking out in the middle there. So you can have a couple belted passengers back here. Again, just hold the button and it runs right up. Fuse panel, circuit breakers down there, and that little guy right there. Both of the side windows back here open, so on those cool mornings and evenings, you can open those up and get a nice cross breeze. Thermostat for the propane furnace. Got a light switch for the lights back here in the bedroom. Pull a 180 on here and we'll get back facing towards the front. We've got a 19-inch Samsung flat screen TV, DVD player right there. That is the power switch for the, sorry, I was looking at my finger, not the camera. That's the power switch for the sofa bed. We've got a flip-up counter extension here. You can flip that up to make the kitchen counters a little bit bigger. Really, really nice clean unit. Outside shined up very, very nicely. Inside, as you can see, is also in excellent condition. This is on a door here with a latch. You can open that up to access the cords and things on the back side of the TV. The two spots for the table. You can see the plug right there. You can place the table there. You can kind of see the plug from back here. There's a plug right there. You pop the table in there as well. Both front chairs do swivel. I'm going to rate this thing about a 9.5 on a scale of 1 to 10. 10 being perfect, 1 being a pile of junk. I'm going to rate this thing about a 9.5. Outside shined up very nicely. Interior cleaned up very well. I don't think there was anything that I pointed out in here as far as damage. Very, very clean unit. I'm going to call it a 9.5. One of the last things I'll show you up here of the front seats. Got manuals on either side there for you. Got airbags on the rear. Air assisted rear suspension. These are both power. You can pump these up from the switches right there. Lower those if you like. You want to play with those. Those can affect the sway, the ride control of this thing. If you're pulling a trailer, you can pump them up a little bit. Something you're going to want to mess with and get the most comfortable ride for yourself. Again, Ford E350 chassis, all loaded up. Power windows, locks, tilt, cruise, CD player. If you have any questions on this one, give us a call at Kuhn Truck and RV. The best little RV dealer around since 1976. All right, folks, I'm going to run around the outside of this Pleasureway Excel TS with you. We are 20.5 feet from bumper to bumper. We have 4 brand new tires, an 11-foot awning. This does sit on the Ford E350 chassis. It's powered by the Triton V10 engine. Excel TS, again, floor plan. For starters, down here we have the coach battery that is on a slide-out tray, so it makes it easy to access. Both of these vents here are for the refrigerator. Got a vent for the propane furnace. A couple of exterior outlets. Pretty good sized storage compartment on the passenger's rear corner. Coming around to the rear of the coach. See, we got the tow package. This one here is the vent and access to your hot water heater. Gonna fill our onboard freshwater tank here. Got a smaller but yet decent sized storage compartment on the driver's side rear corner. Sewer hose with storage. Outside shower. Gasoline tank. Got our city water connection. Cable TV connection. Black and gray water dumps. Propane tank. Gonna hook our shore power cord up here. And last but not least, our Onan 2800 gasoline generator.